Hello, myself Sinaj from BioMed Technologies. I'm going to give you a small introduction about our new model AMT X6 Microdebrider and Microdrill combo unit. This is the console and we are having two hand pieces here. One is for Microdebrider and other one is for Microdrill and the foot switch. I'm going to switch on the system. The console is having a touch screen. All the operations can be done from the touch screen. Also, there are some other controls on foot switch also parallelly. In the screen, home screen, you can see three options: micro debrider, micro drill, and step drill. This console supports micro debrider, micro drill, and the skitter. But I'm going to show you only two options here now. Let us see the micro debrider first. This is the handpiece. This is made of non-corrosive steel and this is lightweight. And the motor we are using is this technology BLDC motor, which is having 117 Nm torque. This will give you a smooth operation while doing the surgery. You have to select micro debrider. Here the default speed is set to 4500 RPM. Micro debriders works up to 6000 RPM. The speed can be controlled from this menu. Here it is 25%, that is 1500 RPM. 50% is 3000 RPM. 75% is 4500 RPM, and finally 100% 6000 RPM. These speeds also can be customized. If I am going to set to 4000 RPM, we can choose 75% first and touch here. From this window we can increase or decrease the speed by 100. So it is set to 4000 RPM now. Okay, and the modes can be selected from the screen as well as from the foot switch. By touching here, three modes can be selected. Fine. Also, the mode can be selected from the foot switch on the left side button. So while selecting from the foot switch, it will give you a beep sound. Also, the selection can be seen in the screen also. On foot switch, you can see one more button on the right side. This is for changing the foot switch operation mode. One will give you a static operation, the other mode is acceleration mode. Here on the screen you can see two speeds, set speed and actual speed. Now I am going to show you inserting a blade. This handpiece can be operated single-handedly while inserting and detaching the blade. This is very smooth. We have to press this lock down completely, insert the blade, release the lock. That is done now. Okay, this is in forward mode. I am selecting the oscillation mode. The foot switch is in static mode now. Now I am going to change this mode. So here you can see, while touching the foot switch lightly, the actual speed is varying. And if it is completely pressed, it is working in set speed, that is 4000 RPM. Now I will show you micromotor. This is 70,000 RPM high speed micromotor. I am using marathon handpiece now. We can use any NSK or any imported handpieces on this. To work on this mode, we have to go back to the home screen and select micro drill. Here the default speed is set to 35,000 RPM. This will work up to 75,000 RPM. The speeds can be controlled from here in percentage wise. 25% is 15,000. 50% is 35,000 rpm, 75% is 55,000 rpm, and 100% is 75,000 rpm. Also the modes can be changed from here. It will allow us to select only two modes. The oscillation mode is disabled for micromotors. If you are changing the mode from foot switch also, it will not allow you to select the oscillation mode. Speed can be customized by touching here. It is set to 70,000 rpm now. And while operating, you can see the speed is varying while touching lightly, and if it is completely pressed, it is working on 70,000 rpm. I have set to 75,000 rpm, so the maximum speed is 75,000 rpm, and the speed is varying here. I'm changing the mode from the full switch, so it will work only in set speed, that is 75,000 rpm here. Now it is in 55,000 rpm. I'm changing it to 50,000 rpm. Set and come back. Okay, changing the mode. Maximum speed is 50,000 rpm. And coming back to control panel, front panel of the system, here is the power button, and we have two more options here. One is for connecting the Microdebrider handpiece. The other one is for foot switch. Here it is written and the symbol also is given. While connecting, we need to be careful. The red dot here on the female connector has to be matched. And while removing the connector, we have to hold here only, not here, because this is having a self-locking system. So and now coming to back panel give you two options. One is for connecting micro drill and other one is for the skitter. There are two ports. So micro drill is connected here, and this is the irrigation control system. This is basic gravity based control system. We have to insert the irrigation tubings here, so it will allow irrigation, that is, it will on the irrigation while operating the foot switch. By default it will be off. This is all about the system. Right now we are not showing the skitter handpiece. We will be showing it in another video. Thank you for watching.